Hey, this is Richard Prevost. We're directors, West Virginia chapter leader for Punished for Protecting. I'm going back over my son's case. This gets pretty wacky. So I was drug into court. Put a stop to visitation because his mother was in Alderson Federal Prison on drug charges. Eve, they changed her name. Look at this. Distributing of cocaine, several known associates, storing, selling. I got a lot more, of course. Eve Bunner, that's his mother. Crack cocaine, all this other stuff. 2008. Put a stop to visitation. But she has illegal visitation anyway. And then we'll go down to these. Now, all the petitions I haven't uploaded. I got several. Which is absolute. You wouldn't believe this. And this goes on to the people that's involved. Well, most. Now, this is a standard visitation issue. Standard visitation issues go to family court. Well, look at this. What's this one of the first ones? Dead case number 05JA98. All right. I'm trying to put this up here so I can see it. Look, this is a dead case number. It's dismissed. See, look, right? They even admit to the court's final order 2008. Look at this. Fraud on the court, bro. Look at this. Admits to this was all false, that I withheld my son. And see, basically, she has no legal rights and there was no legal grounds for her to even take me to court. And she can't file a child abuse and neglect petition. Look at this. Freaking kidding me? Yeah, and she admits that an attorney doesn't put this. E. Benner, who began a sentence of imprisonment of 1 year and 1 day in Austin, 12 on charges knowing and allowing the drug transactions and visitations did occur at this residence. Huh? You're not going to freaking put that. Look, it's not even. Now, when you're talking about Kangaroo, look at this. My attorney sends me a fraudulent Thomas B. Carr, sends me a fraudulent threat, notice of intent to motion withdraw as counsel, which when I went into the first court hearing, I threw a damn fit about it. Well, first of all, he said, well, did you get my my motion to withdraw? And I said, yeah. And he says, well, I don't know why. I'm still your appointed counsel. So I go into court, throw a damn hell of a fit. He withdraws his counsel out of nowhere. Look at this bullshit. And then it's like I'm saying, whatever you tell your attorney, they put it on this. This is a bunch of bullshit lies right here. My mom went out to, oh, she was so mad. Yeah, you want to abuse Excedrin? Okay, go ahead, see what it feels like. I'm getting kicked 30 times in the stomach, if you like that, in about 20 seconds. Made up, not even filed. Like I said, I got more these fake ass petitions that were never filed. See, this is received. It's not a file. Copies. You should never get something like that. See what else shit that I have? I mean, I have. Yeah, this isn't even. Close to my evidence. I mean, they just kept taking me back to court. And this shows who's all involved. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I was facing. I wasn't facing fucking piddly ass CPS. Okay. G. Bradley from. Enroll Jordan into therapy. Right here, because they thought that they had me here. This was the hidden deposition with the yes or no, and trying to get me to, And I said, no. I said, I'll exceed my First Amendment right. Now I'll answer your question in full. And went on to explain that I didn't have to go back to see Angela Knoll, that I can go back to, I could go see 2, 3, 4 other psychiatrists with 3 or 4 different opinions. And they looked at me like, are you serious? So yeah, I wasn't dealing with CPS, just CPS. Look, in education, the schools were also part of it. Say, look, education. Oh yeah, there were several. Yeah, so they were going. This wasn't just CPS people. This was the entire court system. This wasn't beating CPS. This was beating. Look at this. Appearing conferencing from audio. This is what I'm saying. You think I was lying? E. Bunner appearing in video conferencing from Alderson Federal President, the majority of the hearing. They wanted me to prove why she was in there. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying. This is a level 3 kangaroo process. Nobody's beat it ever, except when I came through and dismantled that whole damn court. Yeah. Oh, there were several people involved. Oh my gosh. They see, she's in federal prison. If I put a freaking stop to Alderson prison, anybody's names that are on these petition motions or orders, and they don't show up in court, and it doesn't matter, they're part of it. This is ongoing. This was, see right here, this is the best one, educational neglect. See? Public schools. So that's what I'm telling you, people. Nobody, this shows who all was involved. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Schools freaking lied. Right here clearly shows in these type of cases who is involved. None of these people, teachers, psychiatrists, you name it, these people did not come in court to testify. They should have been prosecuted. I mean, legally. This is false because he was making A, B's, and C's. See? See, this wasn't, well, yes, see, they thought they had me again. That's what this is what you should have, people, right there. Clerk's timestamp date, and see? I don't give a shit if it says filing, whatever it is. This has to be on the front. If it's not, it hasn't been filed. This was filed. The ones like this were filed because they thought they had my ass, and they didn't. And this was pretty much taking out several people at once. Not CPS. Nobody has done this since I've done it. And they've rigged hearings since late 1700s. So I'll be back.